Where we are now is that we have tasked our technical team to check on our structures, and key in all of this is what we refer to as multi-span structures, bridges, because where you have, and a good example would be the flyovers at 3 miles. Those have multiple spans, as you can see. A lot of our bridges have just abutments, and so we're not too worried about those. It's the ones that you have 2 or 3 spans. With the movement, you could have joints opening up and that kind of thing, and we have seen that before. For example, on the structure going from Caymanas into Portmore, that spans the recovery. So that was one of the ones that we were actually concerned about. So we are checking on those. We had reports of a couple of corridors, roads in Portland, St. Thomas, and St. Andrew being impacted. We have responded. The good thing is that there is no community right now that is inaccessible due to falling rocks, landslides, and the like. We are still responding to, for example, those huge boulders that are present on the road between Papine and Bull Bay. We do have some issues too in St. Thomas along the Mahogany Vale to Hagley's Gap Road. The Richmond Vale Road in St. Thomas, we are responding to that. The challenge that we see too in the next couple of days, outside of that which we have not yet witnessed, is with the impending rainfall, because if a lot of water is dumped on us, and with the tremor that we saw, there is going to be more rockfalls, we believe, in areas that we know are susceptible. We are being bombarded with calls and requests for our engineers to come and look at buildings. Our response has been that where it is that a building is the responsibility of government, though in this kind of situation we are going to be stretched thin, we can give a commitment to looking at those. Where it is that government operates, our government entity, department, or organization is operating in a rented facility, then we are suggesting that the landlords be contacted and or persons seek private engineers, because it's not possible for us to be able to look at all buildings that government might be functioning out of, but some key ones, of course, we will give attention. The key thing for us now is to ensure that our structures are safe,